I bet you didn't know that corn cobs are more than just a tasty side dish. Let's uncover their hidden talents. First up, in the kitchen. Grilled or boiled, corn on the cob is a classic. But did you know you can dry those cobs to make cornmeal for baking? Or press them for corn oil? Now let's talk non-food uses. Compost lovers, listen up. Corn cobs are compost gold. Small pet owners, dry cobs make great bedding. And crafters, get creative. Think wreaths and potpourri. But wait, there's more. Corn cobs can be turned into biofuels like ethanol. They also help control erosion and make excellent garden mulch. Even paper and biodegradable plastics. And for you industrial folks, corn cobs play a role in textiles and pharmaceuticals. From your garden to your medicine cabinet, those cobs are superstars. So, next time you munch on corn, remember, it's not just a snack, it's a multi-purpose marvel.